Hi everyone, this is Captain Mark and I got another review for you. This time it's the GoPro Hero 8 Rollcage. It's a protective sleeve with a replaceable lens. And if you do like my videos, hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell to get the upcoming videos. Okay, so let's get to it. Hi everyone, this is Captain Mark with Captain Mark Reviews. I got a new product today. It's the GoPro Hero 8 Rollcage. And this is a protective sleeve with a replacement lens. It does have a lifetime warranty on it, which I thought was kind of cool. You can see where it has the interchangeable lens for it. So let's open it up, see what's in there. I think it's a pretty simple item. One thing I noticed about the last two GoPro items that I purchased, they have this little tab here now. So it makes it easy for pulling out the products. There, put the box off to the side and pull the sleeve out. Okay, so just taking a glance at it, I can see that it's got the little holes that are cut out for the speaker and the microphone and our opening for the feet, for the front window. It's got the little red button for record, or it's got the menu or start button on there. It also has the speakers and microphone holes there. It's a soft silicone sleeve. It's slippery. I don't really like that. That's really slippery. Nice protective lens on it. So why don't we see how it fits in the GoPro 8. So I'm assuming that we just slide it in. Let's see how easy it is to fit in there. Well, it fits in there easy enough. Here we go. We can pull our feet out. So I noticed on the media mod that I did the review on, there wasn't much clearance. When you extend the feet and put it into the GoPro Connect, there was not very much clearance for the thumb screw. So let's try this one and see how much room there is. You can see it's not as thick as the media mod. And oh yeah, so that's a lot better. There's plenty of room there to tighten it down. I like that. There's a nice protection skin for the GoPro 8 if you're in an environment where there's dirt, moisture, and anything that could damage or scrape the lens. This will protect it. You can see it pops out. It's a replaceable lens for it. So this is their alternative to the GoPro 7 with the interchangeable lens. I guess too many people were complaining about the potential for the lens getting scratched. So this is their recourse for that. And it has slots in it for the speakers and microphone. It leaves the back wide open though. There's no protection there at all. And the front is open too for the little window there. So, but this, I guess this would serve some purpose. Scratched or marred the actual finish of it. And it would protect the lens. But of course you couldn't use this with the media mods at all. It's retailing for $24.99 on the GoPro site. I'm not sure if it's on Amazon. I didn't see it yet. It's quite a new product. But I'll leave the link down below so you can quick link it to the GoPro site. I'm not really crazy about how slippery the silicone feels on that, but I'm sure that's just the way it's made. So if you think this information is useful in helping you purchase this item or any other items that I have, why don't you hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell to the right. This is Captain Mark with Captain Mark Review saying thank you again.